What's up, guys? We're over here in Clinton, New Jersey hunting today. It's finally getting cold out, getting some deer moving. A few does came in, whacked one. We'll see, hopefully she's done. We got some good black. Deer down. Finally got her done. It's December. It's getting late in the season. Haven't gotten it done yet this year. So finally got her down. Get some meat for the freezer. Tonight we snuck in a little late, but perfect wind. And two smaller does came in past them. And 20 minutes a little after that, this big boy, this big girl, and little smaller does came in, and we whacked her. Finally getting it done. Let's go.